So as we have seen in on the chart, the figures that I got for the car as follows. So the maximum compression is 220.5 psi, and the minimum is 154.3 psi. That's at 300 revs per minute, so which means the engine is not running, you're just cranking the engine. And previously, the compression I got for cylinders, cylinder 1 was at 70 psi, cylinder 2, this is cylinder 1, cylinder 2 was at 60 psi, then cylinder one out rings. These are two things that I would suspect would cause the low compression on cylinder number 4. If it's this dirty valve seats, then I'm sure after running the engine for some time it could get clean and then the compression will improve. So I will redo the compression test after the engine starts. I'm still waiting for the sensor, like I mentioned in my first video. So the difference between cylinders under normal circumstances in terms of compression should be about 28 psi or less. So these three are within the difference of 28 psi. This one is far away. So let's watch how the compression was in the next video. Okay. Try press. Wait. Crank. Crank. Okay. This is good. Okay. Crank. Always remember to open the throttle. Okay. Okay. It's what do? Geo. Crank. Cylinder number 4. Wait. What? Okay. 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 How to fasten this? Cylinder 1. Geo. Okay. Let's